Welcome to Roots Millennium, Kingston Campus G15 Islamabad, a vibrant place for learners to grow. Where we believe in holistic development of learners, nurturing 21st century skills of communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity in them. I take immense pride in leading a community where learning is driven by passion, purpose, and innovation. Our school is not just a place for academic excellence, but a nurturing environment where every child is encouraged to grow into more confident, compassionate, and a future-ready individual.